So go ahead and stand with your legs about shoulder width apart and place your hands on your lower belly, one palm on top of the other. And let's just take a moment to connect to the breath. So you're going to inhale through your nose. Feel your abdomen expand. Exhale out through your nose and feel your abdomen soften. So we start our Qigong practice by connecting to the breath. Breath is life. It's the most accessible form of Qi that there is, the Qi that we draw in through the breath. And also we are taking deep breaths in into the center of the body. And we want to fill up this area of the body so much so that it spills over into the meridians that run throughout the body. This lower dantian area is known as the reservoir of Qi, or the elixir field. So go ahead and just fill yourself up with Qi through the breath. And again, deep breath in. And deep breath out.